Namaskar everyone. We are going to practice Suryanamaskar today. The Suryanamaskar is Sun Salutations. This practice is very good for moving all the joints of the body and bringing the circulation of energy to the entire body. Some of the positions could be harder for some people, but always you can modify and see what is most desirable for you. So to start the position, let's go to the edge of the mat. Stand with both feet parallel to each other. Engage your feet, calf, knees, buttocks, abdomen slightly fold inwards, and bring the hands to the Namaste position. Breathing in and stretch your both arms up. Widen the shoulders, do not tense your neck. Exhale, bend forwards, slightly bend your knees to protect your lower back. Keep going down with the exhalation. Fingertips on the floor. You can adjust your body here. If you want, you can keep your knees straight or bend, fine. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, bring your head to the knees. Inhale, move your right leg back. The knee and the heel of the left foot is in one line, toes pointing onwards, palms on the floor, and look in front. Breathing in, breathing out. Toes in, move the left foot back, plank, look in front. Engage your core, buttocks, thighs. Stay with your breathing. Both knees on the ground, chest between the palms, elbows pointing up, chin on the ground. Inhale, toes pointing out, raise the upper body, navel on the ground. Look at the ceiling. Exhale, toes in, feet together, mountain pose, Parvatasana. Lengthen your back. Look in front. Bring your right foot forward. Left knee down. Look in front again. Exhale, toes in, feet together. Catch your ankles. Head down. Inhale. Stretch your arms up. Slightly bend back. Exhale. Hands in Namaste position. Second round. Inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, bend forward. All the way down. Inhale. Left foot back. The right knee and the heel in one line. Look in front. Feel the pelvic area. Exhale, toes in. Right leg back. Plank. Knees on the floor. Chest between the palms. Chin on the ground. Inhale. Raise the upper body. Exhale, toes in. Push your heels to the floor, lengthen your spine, widen your shoulders. Look in front, left foot forward. Feel the stretch. Exhale, toes in. Feet together, catch your ankles. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, hands in Namaste position. Relax. Thank you very much.